What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Help Email Tales. Ever sent an email in Outlook and immediately realized you made a mistake or sent it to the wrong person? If so, you can use the Outlook recall feature to retract that email. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Also, if you need more help along the way, you can dial in the numbers on the screen to talk to our tech experts. Otherwise, follow me along. For the first step, open the Outlook app and go to email you want to retract. After that, open your mail and then click on the three dots at the top bar. From the open list of the options, hover the mouse over the Action option. Next, what you need to do is choose the Recall this message option. In the open prompt, select one of the radio buttons and click OK.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.